I am your maths faculty of Vidya Guru. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel. This complete video will be in English. If you want to see the same video in Hindi, please check out the playlist. Today we are going to discuss some important question of mixture. So coming on to our first question. What first question is saying? There is a mixture of milk and water. It contains 11 parts of milk and 2 parts of water. Now question is saying if 35 liter of water is added, if 35 liter of water is added, then the ratio then the new mixture will contain twice as much as pure milk as water, and milk will be twice as much as water. Question is asking, find how many liters of pure milk does the original mixture contain. How many liter of the pure milk does the original mixture contain? Now if water is added in the mixture, then the quantity of milk should not change, but it is changed. Here it is 11, here it is 2. We need to make it equal, because in question water is adding, there is no change with the milk, so quantity will be equal. How can we make the quantity equal? By multiplying 2 here and by multiplying 11 here. If we do this, this will become 22 and this will become 4. This will become 22 and this will become 11. 22, I have made milk equal in both cases, and now water from 4 is becoming 11. How much water is added? 7, but according to question 35 is added. Then value of 1 will be 5 liter. Then value of milk, that is 22, will be 5 times 110 liter. Then what is the value of milk in initial mixture? 110 liter. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? A vessel contains 32 liters of solution. There is a solution of 32 liter and ratio of acid and water is 5:3. Ratio of acid and water is 5:3. Now question is saying 12 liter of mixture is taken out. 12 liter is taken out. Mixture was 32 liter. If 12 liter is taken out, how much mixture will be left? 20 liter. 20 liter. One important thing from here, if mixture is taken out from a mixture, then ratio of mixture do not change. If a mixture is taken out from a mixture, then the ratio of mixture do not change. Here also the ratio will be 5:3, but quantity is changed. Here was 32, but now here is 20 liter. Now question is saying 7 whole 1/2 water is added. 7 whole 1/2 liter, that is equal to 15/2 liter water is added. Then what is the final ratio? One thing, what can I do? I can divide this 20 in 5:3, or value of 20 liter in ratio is what? 8, because 20 is the value of 5 plus 3, 8. Value of 20 liter in ratio is 8. What we are doing? We are adding 15/2 liter water. Then 15/2 liter value in ratio will be 20 liter value is 8. 1 will be 8/20 and 15/2 value will be into 15/2, 5, 3 times 4 2s are 8. That means 15/2 liter in ratio is 3. That means I am adding 3 as ratio. So what will be the ratio of acid and water? 5:6. 5:6 is the answer. What next question is saying? There is a mixture of milk and water and ratio is 3:8. Question is saying X liter of milk is added. X liter of milk is added and ratio become 5:4. Further 18 liter of water is added. 18 liter of water is added and ratio become 4:5. Question is asking what is the value of X. After this point, water is changed. We have not changed milk, so milk should be equal in these both cases. So to make it equal, I will multiply here by 4 and I will multiply here by 5. What will ratio become? It will become 20 and it will become 16. It will become 20 and it will become 25. I have changed the ratio by multiplying it by 4 and multiplying it by 5. Now water is equal. After this point, water was added, so milk should be equal. Now water become 16 to 25. How much unit it is increased? It is increased by 9 unit. But according to question, 18 liter was added and value of 1 is 2 liter. That means water here was 16, but it will be equal to multiply to 32 liter. Milk here was 20, which will be equal to 2 times 40 liter. Now, if I come to this, the ratio was 3:8. X liter milk was added and ratio become 5:4, which I have changed to 2016 and I know the exact value. Here at this point, water was 32 and milk was 40 liter. Water is not added here, so here also water will be what? 32 liter, because milk is added, X liter milk is added, water is not added, so milk here will be same 32 liter here, so here it will be 32 liter only, 4 times. So how much will be the milk? 4 times 12 liter. Milk become 12 to 40. So how much milk is added? 26 liter. So what is the value of X? 26 liter. This was very interesting question. Coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? A jar contains blend of fruit juice and water. There is juice and water. And what is the ratio? 5:X. If 1 liter of water is added, 1 liter of water is added to 4 liter of the blend. Here quantity is what? 4 liter. 1 liter of water is added. So ratio become 1:1. Question is asking what was X here. If here quantity was 4 liter and 1 liter is added, then what will be the quantity here? 5 liter. That means value of 2 is 5 liter. Value of 1 will be 2.5. So it will be 2.5 and this will also be 2.5. Now we have not added water here, not added juice. We have only added water. If here water was 2.5, what will be the value of water here? 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter, because 1 liter water was added and juice will be here 2.5 liter. If I find the ratio 2.5 ratio 1.5, what will be the ratio? 5:3. 5:3. So if this was 3, then X will be what? 3. I will explain you one more time. The ratio was 5:X. 1 liter water is added and ratio become 1:1. 4 liter it was here, 1 liter is added, mixture become 5 liter. So 2 will be divided in 5 liter, one value will be 2.5 liter. So it will be 2.5 and this will also be 2.5. 1 liter water was added. So it became 2.5. So what will be the water here? 1.5 liter. But juice was not added. So it will be here 2.5 liter only. If we take out the ratio, 1.5, ratio will be 5:3. Value of X will be 3. So option number A is the correct answer of this question. So moving on to our next question. X beaker of in which each is of 100 ml contain acid and water. In what ratio? 1:4, sorry. And Y beaker of 200 ml each are taken, which contain this ratio in 3:17. 3:17. The ratio of acid to water in the resulting mixture became 19:91. Final mixture ratio of this become 19:91. Question is asking what is the ratio of X ratio Y. X ratio Y is asked. Now each beaker is of 100 ml. If I take it as 1, let beakers were 1, so it will be equal to 100 ml. Value of 5 will be 100 ml, value of 1 will be 20 ml. So this will become 20 times 20 ml, and this will become 20 times 80 ml. Here each was of 200 ml. So 20 value will be 200 ml, one value will be 10 ml. So this will become 30 and this will become 170. That means if I add acid in acid, but question is saying X beakers are there, so I will multiply it by X, and these are Y beakers, I will multiply this by Y. Then if I add these now, acid will be added in acid, 20X plus 30Y upon 80X plus 170Y. What is the ratio given? Final ratio is 19/91. I can cancel out, I can take 10 common here, and 10 will be common from the denominator, so 0 will be reduced. If I cross multiply this will become 2 1 times 2, 2 9s are 182x, and this will become 3 1s are 3, 273y. This will become 8 9 times is 72, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 7 will be 152x, and this will become 17 into 19, it will become 723y. If I take x one side, 182 minus 152, it will be 30x, and 323 minus 273 will be 50y. I will cancel out the 0. X upon y will be equal to what? 5/3. I will explain you one more time. There were X beaker 100 ml each, and ratio was 1:4 of acid and water. I considered 100 ml, I divided this in 1:4, this will be 20 ml and this will be 80 ml, and there were X beaker, so I multiplied it by X. Whatever the quantity is, it will be multiplied here, and in this 3:17 was there, and each beaker was of 200 ml. I again divided the ratio 3:17 in 200 ml, and there was Y beaker, so I multiplied it by Y. Now I have added acid in acid, 20x plus 30y, 20x into 30y, and here 80x plus 170y. Taken 10 common from numerator and denominator, I have cut it. So now cross multiplying, X ratio Y will be 5:3. Coming on to our next question. Question is saying in a ratio of mixture of milk and water, ratio was milk and water, and ratio was 7:5. We withdrew 9 liter of mixture and added the same quantity of water. 9 liter of mixture is taken out and same quantity of water is again added, and ratio become 1:1. See, if 9 liter of mixture was taken out and again same quantity of water was added, then final quantity of mixture do not change, because the quantity of mixture is taken out, same quantity of water is added, then initial and final quantity of mixture will remain same. What is the quantity here? 12. What is the quantity here? 2. This should be equal. I will multiply this by 6. So what it will become? 1 will become 6, and this will also become 6. After this, the thing which remain constant from starting to end, we will consider it as total mixture. Water was added, so we will not consider it and take milk as total mixture. If initially mixture was 7, it became 6. How much is withdrew? 1, but according to question it is 9 liter. Value of 1 is 9 liter, and total mixture will be 9 times 63 liter. If question asked what is the total mixture, it will be 63 liter. Question is asking initial quantity of milk. Milk ratio water was 7:5, that means it was total 12. Value of 12 was 63. We need to value of 7. Value of 1 will be 63 by 12 into 7. 3 4 times 1, 7 1, 147. 4 3 times and 4 6. So answer will be 36 point something, and option is given 36.75 liter. 36.75 liter. I will again explain you. 9 liter of mixture was taken out and again 9 liter of mixture was added. That means the quantity of initial and final mixture will not change. Here it is 12, but here it is 2. I multiplied it by 6 to make it 12. And the thing which was constant from starting to end, we will consider it as in mixture, total mixture. Mixture earlier was 7, but now it became 6. 1 is withdrew, but according to question 9 is withdrew. So value of 1 is 9 and total mixture was 7. It will become 63 liter. So value of 1 was 9, total mixture was 7, so it will become 63 liter. Now I need to find out the initial quantity of milk. 7:5 was the ratio. That means value of 12 is total mixture is 63. Value of 1 will be 63 by 12 and 7 will be multiply 7, that will come 36.75. So coming on to our next question. Next question is based on this concept only. What next question is saying? A mixture contain 80% acid and rest is water. Acid is 80% and rest is water. Then water will be 20% because total mixture will be 100%. What will be the ratio? 4:1. Question is saying part of mixture that should be removed and replaced by same quantity of water, so that ratio become 4:3. Part of mixture that should be taken out and replaced by same quantity of water, that means initial and final mixture will not change. Here mixture is 5, here it is 7. If I want to make it equal, I will multiply it here by 7 and here by 5. That means it will become 28 and it will become 7. It will become 20 and it will become 15. And I have made the quantity equal. It is here 35 and here also it is 35. After this we assume total mixture, the thing which was constant from starting to end. Then this is the total mixture. Mixture was 28, but now it is became 8. How much is taken out? 8. From what? From 28. 8 was taken out from 28. So what part is taken out? 4 and 4, 2/7 part is taken out. That means option number D. Again I will explain you. Same quantity of mixture was replaced by same quantity of water. That means initial and final quantity of mixture will not change. Here quantity was 5, here it was 7. I made it equal by multiplying here by 7 and multiplying here by 5. So it will become 28, it will become 7, 20 and 15. After that, the thing which is constant from starting to end, it will be considered as total mixture. This is 28 total mixture and it became 20. That means 8 is replaced from what? From total mixture. 8 is replaced from 28. It is nothing but 2/7 part. 2/7 part. Coming on to our next question. A drum contains 80 liters of ethanol. 20 liters of this liquid is removed and replaced with water. 20 liters of this mixture is again removed and replaced by water. See, there is a formula for this question, but we will not do this question by that formula. I will tell you how to solve it without formula. 80 liters of ethanol, that means this is ethanol or initial mixture. From 80 liter, 20 liter was replaced. That means from 80, 20 is replaced. Ratio will be what? 1:4. That means from 4, 1 is replaced. Then this is the remaining quantity and this is the total, because I have taken total quantity here, initial or total. So what it will become? 3/4. Again this process is repeated. The same amount of water was added, so again mixture became 80 liter. From this 20 liter was again replaced, so again 1/4. From 4, 1 mixture was replaced, so again it will become 3/4. Then what is the final result? 9/16. That means total quantity initially was 16, now it is 9. Question is asking how much water is present in the drum now. The total mixture was 16, but it is now 9. But it is now 9. So if it is now 9, then 7 part is what? Water. Because total quantity is 16. But in drum, ethanol is now 9. Remaining quantity of ethanol. And this is total quantity of ethanol. I have taken a 10 total quantity and this was replaced. 4, from 4, 1 was replaced. Then what is remaining? 3/4. Again 3/4. What will be the result? 9/16. From 16, 9 is left. Then what is the remaining part? 7 is water. Question said, initially 80 liter was there. Value of 60 is 80 liter. Value of 1 will be 5 liter. Then value of 7 will be what? 35 liter. So now in drum 35 liter of water is there. Without applying the formula, we have solved this question. I am going to take one more question of this type to explain you better. What question is saying? A vessel contains 400 liter of milk. What is total quantity of milk? 400 liter. 400 liter. Question is 20 liter of milk was taken out from it. That means from 400, 20 liter was taken out. What will be the ratio? 1/20. 1/20. Remaining milk. Again I will do the same thing. Remaining milk upon total milk. Total milk is 20 and from that 1 is replaced. And what is the remaining? 19/20. In second part, question is saying, now again 40 liter is taken out. Then from, it will become 1/10. From 10, 1 is taken out. What is the remaining quantity? 9/10. And in the last, 60 liter mixture is replaced by water. 60 liter is replaced. So what is the ratio? 3/20. So from 20, 3 is taken out, it will be equal to 17/20. Question is asking, find the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. Ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. And if I multiply here, it will come 4000. 19 into 9 into 17, it will come 2907. Then this is the remaining quantity of milk. That means in mixture 2907 milk is only left. Question is asking ratio of milk and water. What is milk left? 2907 from 4000. Then what will be the value of water? 4000 minus 2907, 4000 minus 2907, it will be equal to 3901, 1093. So this is the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. Thank you very much. To see such more videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel.